Congress has just days to address the health care affordability issue in the United States. Pandemic-era tax credits under the Affordable Care Act are set to expire at the end of the year. But two bills failed in the Senate yesterday. So that means many Americans could face skyrocketing premiums. Just yesterday, Trump said he is willing to work with Democrats. And a Brevard County business owner just learned that her health insurance will more than double. And now she's facing impossible choices.
She's one of thousands in Central Florida left in limbo after the Senate rejected ACA funding and the Republican alternative. West 2's Megan Moriarty shows us what's at stake.
Entering her fourth year in business, Skin Journey owner Sydney Worthling is excited to see what was once a dream grow into her career.
And I started my career as a registered nurse and then opened up Skin Journey Wellness Center with my mom. But the biggest change was kind of like losing my benefits from the hospital.
The 27-year-old esthetician relies on marketplace health insurance like healthcare.gov, where she can shop and compare for private health plans.
You don't really know exactly how much you're going to make. So it's often encouraged to kind of put your income higher. That way you avoid paying back the subsidies that you took when tax season rolls around. So I decided I was going to be optimistic and hope the business does better next year and set my income a little bit higher.
When she did that, her typical $95 a month payment more than tripled. So she dropped her income estimate back down, but her rate still went up by more than double.
Went up from $95 to $216 a month. And the max out of pocket is closer to $10,000.
And if she does end up making more money this year, she'll have to pay those subsidies back.
Kind of a double-edged sword situation.
She's not alone. Millions of Americans could see a massive spike to their health insurance as the ACA is set to expire at the end of 2025. And on Thursday, the Senate voted to reject two health care bills offered by each party. The Democrats' plan would have allowed the vast majority to keep their benefits for 3 more years. The Republicans want to get rid of those benefits in favor of boosting healthcare savings accounts while making changes to the insurance marketplace. But for now, many are making adjustments while they wait in limbo.
We went ahead and just selected a plan. It is more, but we're just going to budget other aspects of our life to be able to make it work. In a perfect world, it would be great if I could just afford my plan.
Covering Brevard County, Megan Moriarty, West 2 News.
Two things she recommends are using a broker. It's free. She also says you can call a representative with healthcare.gov. The deadline to enroll is December 15th. Now, Democratic Congressman Darren Soto weighed in on the Senate's decision, saying this is callous and foolish. Over 275,000 Central Floridians in Florida's 9th congressional district will see a huge healthcare hike because Senate Republicans couldn't be bothered to stop the Obamacare cuts. Time is running out. Republican Congressman Mike Herodopoulos of Brevard County said, I'm concerned about the 22 million Americans who rely on Obamacare, but we cannot keep propping up a broken program plagued by fraud from the start. He goes on to say Democrats promised Obamacare would lower costs and let Americans keep their doctors. That didn't happen. His full statement is on WESH.com.